Kablay pi baro, pi apet yakari kasi chana. Yung rasa pi katuk kubor, jong gani katayo bamenta. Ini apa menta skimat bakongsan. Lejbu sentiu kiseng balang ban raki lingku sengi klat ba shispa prap kandai sinem ukirot sing. Penkiono ya ka discretionary grant dawa MLA na sarkar. Imat de ka jingbam shimkia ka sarkar halor ka ILP keno ka KSU. Yai betengki pulet ban khot hajir yakinong yalam ka KSU. Kelayeng ja ki yang baduk ha umbuda. Pinkup buram ka RLSSCO yaki samla ba ya pher ha ki dekhot men bar ha ki kam ya leka. Bat ki we de ki kubor. Ini appointment ta sha ki kubor bnia. Ka Khasi Students Union FKGGP HNYF bat ki we bat ki seng balang. Hakas ngi balang jong katayo kilalik ban bu sentio khmat umot jong utirat sing ubadon hamadan yori ha nongba shlo.
Kene ke jinglik bu sentiu na kaliang kita kiseng kala long kum kadak jong ke jingdap ke bachis pa praw khandai snem ke jingklat no utirat sing kum ukla wai jong keri khasi jantia. Ha kene ke sngi na kaliang kinong yalam seng bhalang ha ki jingkren kila perto ya une ukla wai keri.
Kila persno laga jong ke bentar. Ya ka history ban ka jingya tenti jong pai terus sing. Kaya kum kene ke sngi nang kwa ban sim sibol ni kapor. Ring kwa ban ken ka basai. Sepi wai pe wai pat kham tam cik paro pasnam pasang bonbu ujing keli ya kecing persang ne kata ka jigi ki kebayat hagi sini polas tam nadu untuk dari bagi siu kasang ban khandra yaki mendiar gom jumlah dan kot pensela batai bakta bat pandumbian spok kecat pendek kocongi yo pun keli balai dilakwa pada yaum Islam Ibun keli balai kaki SU kalau maikum ni balong anti jika kita kinon tribal dengan sobanong hakum kini kesini kaseng kaya kersiu tia ya kesorkar celah bak sekarang dia bagai diban cuba kakabasai ya ki ketikiman hakum kaseng kacukren nak kepos kacing pensateng kacing penslam kasokar dia ban cuba kalau KIP kadai kewai pat kadau kejingai kuman bat jingai kun cakai congos kar jala pan pentri kam ya ka an lasna nadu sembar jakan riu kai marse kari gawai pat kedau diwai pat kimat kibakta ikon sama kibakta ya pulih putih kari gawai pat kidau kibang jukran ya ka sorkar na kapos ada kebasosi kalong ya ki an peladan lupa do ka sorkar kaum kamdan dikinya kimi lenti kumno nak kata kaju kasor ka kanong mangikwa pagpilin di ba ng pendirkam yang takay narase anda kum kata kapor wat kum kini kesni nga sobanong wanwe na piki samlang takjing snoret pangimi nang ne yang mi bitang kaway kasor bag kata kalong nang yep teng na jingya tenti panang yep tenang panang kendra nakasngi cikasngi pan pantikna pagi power Kimandari kimdai banjo cakasong apo jong kabri nyo tidak ibro kawai. Nak kediang kesorkar hagri kisni kelanang penjur panang persetap ditaki mukot duma dikot jong KSU rek kerwo kabang kawa bandong sa sorkar galong sanang sa perjanjian susu kita ki mukot duma di pediang suma hanggai yang ia kendra nakasgi jesni pan panti kenapa Pagkacat beliau juga gelem, pagkacat beliau juga kelong try, kalau kandok siap pakai di dostor. Idon kita pensam bertuah bakla, sharum berseneng. Hendai kini kacing stang berkandra, yang kiri mendir, kini hitam kacing stang. Hagisni di banwan, nak liang juga seng, yang siap beliau jumut. Pat wei pat dalam seng balang, bagian sesiampat, dan wei kesenjam, pan dikena, pagkacat beliau, pat kiai kimat, kibangal community, kasar ka kahap berbelong, pat kahapan cuba. Kang menen memit, kau kendai baji, tadon kepak wei ke message na wei, ofisar sarkar wong, miyok kubor, nak liang tenet sentiat. Hadin melawai kita jirang bu sentiu nabi kota KSU ke sepen kelumar senong aku abanong kakak basai KSU kam dai kan kelumar senong jadi kan semua jak nong ke thau wat nam ta gari ba ka chat pun reu ko wai sanam pun sutu bakla wat kum kita kikana kaso manong kilong kiai ba jelam bakla andai tang ko wai aku amlong ko kisama aje pun kemau ite ni kecu magili kiski gini ya dan yang bantran bagi nong dalam bangkit konsen balang kim don isu banne kilamis sampai kelumas nong kilamis sampai kelumar kacing kali minta kalong pat kelumar kaki isu dapat kelumar kita kosong apos ke teriak kata kacing kali lah kumdai kumta balai kemle mat balai kem cuba ya kita kacing kawa pakum kecai pendeu bidal
Haga program kabalalong ha u susutham auditorium Menteri Ramba Jela Ukonrat ke sangma ula pelat ya ka Durand Cup Trophy na kamenta ka Durand Cup Al-Hajar Al-Fusa kabanlong ru ka 133rd edition jong ka Durand Cup.
Haga nege sngila don lang Menteri Ketenat Elekai Pak Shangklir Wardri, Air Marshal, ESC SP Tharkar, Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik, GOC, Chispa Highway Area, GOC, Bengal Sub Area, Vice Chairman DCOC, March General Rajesh A. Mukhi, ADG NCC, March General Gagandi, but Additional Chief Secretary Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Shakil Ahmed. Aba kren Menteri Ramba ula ong ba watla ke jila kalak kwa ban pelong ke Durand Cup House nem bala dep, Henry lapan paupat bala yo ban pelong mentau snem.
Indian Army, the Eastern Air Command, the Eastern Command, for having selected Shillong as one of the locations to host the Durand Cup for this year and I'm sure for the future also. As was being mentioned by our sports minister, that we wanted to host this even last year. But because of a large number of challenges in terms of infrastructure, we were not able to host it on time last year. But I'm very happy that we are ready this year. And after a lot of efforts that have gone in from the sports department, even from our armed forces, continuous follow-up, continuous meetings, we are very happy that Shillong and Meghalaya also is part of this particular tournament, which I'm sure our young students out here who are here today would know that this is one of the oldest football tournaments in Asia. And it is in fact the oldest football tournament in Asia and the 5th oldest national competition in the world. That's how far and long and history that the Durand Cup and the Durand Trophy and the tournament has. So we are very, very privileged and very honored and very happy that this is being hosted, and one of the host cities is here in Shillong. And let me assure our officials from the armed forces that whatever support is required, which we have been doing in the past, and even for the future, that we will be there to ensure that we leave no stone unturned to make sure that this tournament is a great success.
Unong yalam jong ka BJP baru MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai. Hagas ni baar jong ka tayo ula dawa na ka sarkar jala. Pagan penkiyo no ya ka discretionary grant DG jong ki MLA siya ka arpolak tingka.
Abai kan bat kilat thai khubor ba san bor laong ba hakapor badang lok MLA kong hau ar hajar pra kasang pisa kadang dei tang lai lak tingka bat hadin la pen kyu sha kasan lak tingka pamenta kala kyu sha ka spolak sisnem dang shen ha kjinya lang ba ulampang ha kjinya don lang mentirang ba bat sembun mentirang ba la ai jingmut ban pen kyu no sha ka ar polak tingka na du ar hajar posan
nong habang alaong bakadon na du ar hajar pra lo meli nakalai lang laki ucap salang, nangat salang kecipong pulang, aduh mentah pulang, but nadu senam arjar sering ini ar pulang kecing, yang pun gak jonga, banyak keren berpen kongo, yo speaker, yo honorable chief minister, bah Thomas Songma, bah Conrad Songma, bah deputy chief minister, bah Perstun, wilayah Soya hap, tuh no mentah kinong bakam don kata ka diskusi kera, ngaka ka sanctioning order kena kata ngacik, ngacik sombit apa sombit, you cannot see. Stand up himshim, lagi meli himshim yang ada pisah. Tegi apa ada jing thua. Ba, I'm not interested to utilize this grant of Ruby Terlak. Sanctioned by the Office of Assembly. Ngan shy dengan I reason. Bambali ngam tera isi mana gaya sepulak berperan kamu konstruksi gitu kan. Kata jing thua di bendon. Bandong ba bumju I ke government, it's false and baseless. Cipora. Mentali.
U MLA kanong po constituency uba Merrill Bonds iem hagas ni balang ulalig banthe Shibun ki Kampenroy hapo ko snong Shaken Riboy district hagaba kalakot shadu ka pralak tam tingka nakabenta bante ya ki jingdon kam hapo ka snong nakabenta ka jingmentoy ki longkme bar ki khon samla
Kita ki Kampenroy ki bau MLA kanong po ula ail ba ka SRWP scheme jong usnem ar hajar pulai hajar posaw hikin thup ya ka sanlak tingka kawat banengkong ka ba ula IT sha ka jingi sengkentei shaken ling ba ka work order na ka benta bante ya ka yeng jingi sengkentei bat ya ka lai lak tingka ula IT ling ba ka work order sha ka shaken sports club na ka benta bante ya ka yeng ban syong pitka ya ka jingi le kai ball VIP gallery Hamadan yelek kai bol jong kasnong shaken. Alor kita ki Kampenroy ba balajit rani MDC kanong po constituency ulayo ban plipat ba no ya kajaka li Shabat public toilet kabodon marjan bat kamadan yelek kai bol jong kasnong shaken kabala tail ing ba katsan FC tit gran na ka scheme MDC jong usnem arja arpo ajar phuwe haba jinglot kaba alak san po jatin kan lor ki wei pat kila jing yarap.
Madan football jong pi ka jing dorong kat i MLA Bron Buram jongi ba na bonsim rang ba snong ki noyalam jong ka sport club baro ki riurang ba jong ka snom ki samla kan the bat senrang lembat ki hap ki baret te kum kadak bangin yo ban pli ya kane ka public talent ngin od ya une uridon
But turis ada bicara.
Kijing ya kenduk kejungi kadai halor kijing ya penbet kijing ya kut kebengi ngila yo ban penbet lembat kador barsnong bat kijing sengkentei bat ka sport club halor kijing don kam kibapi pilapan sngau kijing don kam kidon Shibun nagabanta jungi kinong chong snong yangi kinong mikmat kibapi pilapan job kamlong ngabasuk ban pet ban pia ban balance haki sispa arpo kundai teli kisnong kibadon hapo kanong po konsumsi ihapet ya kisnong ihapet ya balang ihapet ya sport club iseng samla iseng long kemi ki VO ki SAG bat kamta rete kan pala i persang ban balance ban pet
kat kum ke jing he jong gi snong kat kum ke jing don kam gi jong phi i persang i ban balan senri mla ban penbiang i sutu i ke jing duna ha ke jing persang ban pentelun i kam kham tam ha ke jing penmang ya ke skim MLA ke skim MLA ke bangitip kum ke SRWP Special Rural Work Program yang SRWP kabangi ki MLA niyo arklur siteng haka sisnem arklur siteng ban ihap ban sam sya baro kisnong ban penkot naga pedang jing don kam ki babun ngalor kata sagi jing erap kumene naga snong ki don ki financial assistant ki lapan kam tu kabadi bayarap ki kapista kabayarap sigi snong sigi school sigi club ki SAG ki jing don kam simet bat kom ta nanti kajing penbiang ki tiar kum ki PA system ki Q ki Shuki ki street light ki coba pun kini kajing don kam ki ba ni hapan penbit penbiang dak tak kecu ku bisa kam don ra ka kerpang la gajok bat menin ngidang i kadon go ke khubor ka badang mi sapangka discretionary grant DG ka bagi khot we ne ki para MLA la pensai ba ka tu de kajing sisa maru gidon ki MLA ki bom juyarap hab berkenyam bajara berki utia stal bron rayara berki bron kambai kot bajara berki ki bikin kita ki khang ba ye jing khang jum ki tadi nganut ban ong hang ne ba nga dangam long gumta ngaju priang sobha bat ngi ju yarap ya ki badon kam ka discretionary grant ka bangi ong ka ding wi ship holak tengka sistem dang chupen ki dang sen hapor bolong MLA nangkong ye ka dei pra lapan ku cipo menta kum ki pai ba di betip ya gani kadi ke jing sisa ka bahap banyarap satu sene satai tang ba chena jidap ka dak berka kemudur pi ki jing don kam ki babun di cipolak de perpor du chimene arme ne lut ka de khat arme ha pendam de datang ki betip ki tip kum nan nyai leng bai kata ha ka bani bat ke SRWP scheme ro kolong kum dai kila bandan ke basuba ke bekena ate haba sengap pihang tegi not ke babun da arklur siteng jala bun bahagas pi haba persang plat pi kate mar sedang plat telut bet gas atu hab ai itu kum da si wanang ni ngan ai artli wo ordar jasa kenyo pi letu bor ar plus kat nolong ka ba sedibat ya ratio nak arklur siteng kat no kan long kata sebisare pi letu sapang giding peniat yikiski bat ba kabagsaw tenat kalong bahwa IT ya ke work order kumni sison abachit abachai der ban ai hapo dukan cha ma buchu ai sok men sop ma kumni ta ter ya ke second thing lam nong to la hapo phis chunga to kanu jila bisan ngut phungut sekata lekun ni bubun balang ti berki haga sport club bekecu hi ilam nong ki to la office IT tendre ko ai madawan kumni kalak bendi ke berit, kalak bendi ke behe, tang ba pejbak kini bentip.
Uba Lombok Star Marngar Presiden ka KSU, ula penpau ya ka jingling ngoa, bawa ka sarkar jila kala minjer da ka resolution, halor ka ILP nadu snem arajar khat khandai. Henry ka sarkar pedengam simla ai ka jing minjer, halor ka jing dawa ILP.
Hapak ren cikilat petai kubor hadian balawan bu sentiu akhmat umot jong umot tirat sing halor ka lingku snem ba cispa prap khandai snem ulapan pa ba imat de ke jing bam cia hi jong ke sarkar
Sarkar baka sadet man ke kuar sepo no ba lari om le jakren sekren jata ila chu wepan nak kuar sepo no hapilet ye kenduk halo ka LP no pang taktin ke siru jong pensai cepat ba jong jala kita kidau ba sarkar India ka ponyok mesim bat itu kita buat kaman berterkam tadi. Tela ye kibai kistiat ke satu ni kistiat ko no isla berterkam kene yu berterkam ko ka jala ju. Jogala ban aida begini kene ke jala ba jat lang ba sui ba jala. Ringa somon on kene juk start ba menta. Kita kidai kemdai kita ban on ba mla terkam la ban penbet di kita itu ro. Denam don kuno ke jung thot kayat ke yang jung beri set lang ba jala ju ni. Nas solongok ba. Yo se ke sarkar ni kam Simkia asubas ke rususan tu ada kendai tang kuno ban dem ban penjajah jing ki ambai jing ki jong sang balang tu ko de kan ke jing ki jong pai ba asawa ke sur jong pai ba ko na try ke sokar pastang le kai dia ka sur jing lo jong pai ba jong jala kran na du ba ka de ba dai ka ai hau arjara ko ke sokar ong ba kidon ka tu ni ki benta ka hapan pha ka ong suara ta men segala poin so gubernur kembali tu ke sokar kata ngintip itok ni ki jeler ni kata ngintip kehadiran ni kelibiang yang kelak poin ke ministry sokar dia baca scrutinize baca bisa hadir ni up je geli nawai suai pensat sri yang teng gubernur sokar dia apa khadu ke cuba ba sokar dia kelak pan final pada sokar jela bakan bet taki jengken pok jong sokar dia ya kata kamera sendiri adu entah sokar jela kambak pensat tinggi sak dum isngat isak halango ngasubuk ngasubawan pak kecing perkat hangi dul ese kaskar kampak terkam ni dia dialog kata bentang i bala sarkar ang Islam ban pensai ban kren ke pasai besit pasai la kamon mut indon lenti skum no pat ta kumbai ni hap ban penjai penterikam de ki an bang ile di tukran nak por ba ni hap ban kangrang ni hap ban penjang la jong hamal ke cakah
Ki pulut ka jela ki rangyai beteng ka jingkot hajir ya ki dekot jong ka Khasi Student Union haringkat ki wepat ki sing balang nakadaw ka jingkan raw work permit jongki haki babun ki benta jong ka Khasi bat Jantia Hills.
Haga khatsan terik ru unai tung ki pelit ke soda police station kila khot saman biang sayo presiden jong ke KSU Marquis Circle pada way khot yak batip kerteng uyashan mukim presiden bat u mewian jirwa ubade khot jong ke KSU Marquis Circle habakan ikla batai ke bol samlai shan mukim laang ba ka jingkino ki pelit ke long tang kum ke jing parap bat ongru ba ka jingle ki pelit ke long tang ban penting ya ke seng henry kane ka jingle ki pelit kam sim la pendu mensem ya ki henry kan ai mensem ya ki ban peteng ya kene kecing let kinra.
Tahu dan kau ke FIR, mana abangnya ini ke FIR, bila lap kadon ke kamdan dah, mulai di taki di Texas. Kini ke jingle juga police department kalau ke register penduduk Mesir ini, penting kesmit ini, mereka mereka keruak besar kalau bah. Kini ke jingle kamdan ini kata penting kesmit ini, mulai kena ai Mesir syu ini, menyai kon menyai dawa, nak sarkar pedeng berterikam na ya online permit bak kunjuru tam ka sarkar megala man petreno mardor ya ka MRSS hangni hajala jingi
si yang kasing lah ya orang seran lang yang tinggal dalam lepok Marquis Circle mat kaya snow ke iba pasen yang Marquis Circle lah tapi di kini ke bro kali kita kading mu jong sarkar ng bak police department banyon tim pesmit di tempat jong seng iku abakan dah pasai sarkar dengan kami KLP petrikam kam RSS kading khot pi man kasih pen tiang dari kemau khot kaseng man kasih kini hai khang rai man dia ne pok bin kini masih wah sarkar
Ka 19 South Shillong Advisory Committee balakli dau MLA ke BJP uba Sanbor Shulai ha ka singin kong jong katayo kala ajing mut padiban baha no mar life % ha ban aikam aijam mikipat Khasi Jantia bat garu katba 8% nakabenta kilong yang kibaduk
Ka SSAC hadin ka jingye slok bat ki babon balang kala pha ya ka jingtrwa da ka wei ka sur kat kum ka jingdon pai ha ka khana samari jong snem aja khatwei bat ka bayat renti bat ka roster system ka bala penteri kam na ka sarkar Meghalaya ong uba Sanbor Shulai ha ka dorkas ka bala pha sya ka expert committee on state reservation policy ula ong ba ka advisory committee kal ajimut ba ha ka jingbha kam de ban bha life % ya ki Khasi Jantia life % ya ki garo arphonyo % ki bawana ki long yeng boduk 1% ya ki weipat ST SC bat OBC but new person ha ka unreserved category.
The main highlights of our recommendation and suggestion is that the above reservation is being done keeping in mind the 2011 population whereas the population census of 2011 tribal make up to 86.15% of Meghalaya population. So based on that, number two, 30% we have suggested to reserve for Khasi Jaintia, 30%. Reserve for Garo, 27%, 30%, and 27% to reserve for economically weaker section, 6% combined to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, out of which 3% for other Shul tribe and 3% for Shul caste and OBC, 7% on reserve for general. Previously, other Shul tribe and Shul caste is 5%. Now we have proposed 6% with the increase of 1% with inclusion of OBC, other backward classes. Number three highlight, out of the 27% reservation for economically weaker section category, wherein 87% will be reserved for the economically weaker section or the BPL people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo category, and remaining 6% to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, and 7% for unreserved category suggested by the advisory committee shall benefit the poor and also people from rural areas who are mostly deprived. For the job reservation, the economically weaker section includes the BPL family, which includes the children of drivers, hawkers, domestic workers, daily wages earners, contractual employees, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, farmers and laborers. For these, the government employees are excluded from economically weaker section category. Number four, the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal in OBC category, and the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal of the state in OBC category, and for those entitled for the Shul caste should be included in Shul caste category. The advisory committee has also suggested 3% reservation for OBC and Shul caste and 3% for the other Shul tribe. The advisory committee has also suggested that in the absence of any interested candidates belonging to other Shul tribe, Shul caste, OBC, and unreserved category in any respective district, the same shall be filled by economically weaker section society of the Khasi Jaintia category in all Khasi and Jaintia hills, which includes in Ribhoi district, and Garo in case of Garo hills for district level posts or subdivisional posts. Number 6, the advisory committee also suggested for district level posts or sub-divisional posts, out of 87 combined reservation, 50% should be reserved for economically weaker section belonging to the Khasi Jaintia for all Khasi and Jaintia Hills district, which includes Ribhoi district and Garo for Garo Hills district. The advisory committee also suggested that the reservation policy should be reviewed every 10 years. Every 10 years should review. Here, it comes to 100-point reservation roster to be followed. Out of 100 seats, 30 seats reserved for Khasi Jaintia category 1 in category 1, 30 seats reserved for Garo category 2, 27 seats reserved for economically weaker section category 3, sub-classification, one of which 24 seat reserved for the Khasi, Jainti and Garo, 1 seat for other Shul tribe, 1 seat for other Shul caste and OBC, regional basis, 1 seat on reserve. The above sub-classification is done as per population census 2011. 4. 3 seat reserved for other Shul tribe category. 4. 1 seat reserved for Shul caste category 4. 2 seat reserved for OBC category 4. 7 seat for unreserved category 5. From all the above categories, 100% shall be reserved. We have given this from all the above categories as mentioned, 10% shall be reserved for the differently able people with disability, physically handicapped, 10%. An individual who excel in the field of sports, arts, and culture, this 10%.
UMLA kanong po uba Meral Bonds iyam. Ulalom yagi opsa katunat sorbat kiwepan. Halor ka jing pensleman pentre kami ka jakat henyon. Ne ka solid waste management project Shangling.
Habak klan cikilat patrai kubor uba Meral Bond laang ba lapan ya ke kaipot halor ke jing pentrai kam ya ke solid waste management project Shangling na u director ke urban bat uday ban IT ke kaipot hapo tayo. Uba Meral Bond laang ba ke jing sakut ke ne ke project ke lawan ra ya ke jing jebo ha ke te ke snong bat ke kta ya ke jing kho jing suba na mar bakinyut na nongpo la bret ha ke te ke caka.
With regard to the first one, that is solid waste management, this is a long pending issue, and the Director of Urban Affairs, I have instructed him and the team to submit the report within 2 weeks. The proper status, the issues that they are facing, challenges that are there, that why it has not been made operationalized till now. So I have directed the director, and within 2 weeks he will submit the report, and at the same time myself also I will pursue with the Honorable Minister and with the Honorable Chief Minister also to ensure that this much awaited project has to be made operationalized. See, the detailed report they will submit to me in 2 weeks time. All the detail, the issue, the challenges that have been faced. It's a long pending project. So I hope within 2 weeks after that, I will let you know the issues and how to counter and how to address the challenge for the benefit of especially with cleanliness within our port.
Kiyeng kibalas na kerpang na kabenta kibaduk Buda tempoy. Kila syukla yeng ja klemdon basa na marbaka sarkar jala kampat shimla bentaya ki na kabenta kibaduk. Yakini ki yeng la shnaling baga integrated housing and development program Buda, pat kidon kumbashi spa appropriately unit.
Kenang ban pentelunya ke kam syakmadu MLA kenang po uba Meral Bonds uba lom yaki officer ketnat ban pentikna paga kam kanum sateng kane ke project ke day ke bala slembha ke jing sateng uba Meral Bond loong ba ha ke jing shisha kala don ke committee ke bopek ya kene ke bala kli dau deputy commissioner Henry Namar ba kene ke committee kamsim lala ban pre kambha kala pensateng ban pensa yaki bru ki beduk ha ke te ke yeng.
With regard to the integrated housing and slum development program, this is a very beautiful program where way back in 2008-2009 it was sanctioned to facilitate the poor family who doesn't have a house, who doesn't have a land, they will be accommodated there. And this project has been pending, and now around 128 unit has been completed. And due to the issue that the beneficiary that has been selected, the committee which is headed by the deputy commissioner, they have not directed them to go and stay there. So these places and this house, it's just lying like that, and it has become a place where criminals and other unfair means are taking place there. So it is very unacceptable that this is an asset of the government and this thing should not happen. That's why I have called this meeting to ensure that an asset of the government, it has to be for the benefit of the people at large. So I have directed the Deputy Commissioner Riboy, who is the chairman of the committee of the implementation committee within the district and Nongpo, to immediately call a meeting, because they have got approval for around 32 beneficiaries. 32 beneficiaries the government has already approved that they will be shifted there. Now the issue is that, even the question now is that, because the approval has come since February 2022, but till now they have not been directed to stay there. So we have to find out why it happened like that. That's why our Deputy Commissioner is a new DC that we're having. So I have instructed him to call a meeting with the headmen and to ensure that these 32 beneficiaries, they have to be shifted there for their benefit. At the same time, for the remaining, because total units is 228. So the remaining, the list again will be prepared by the villages and they will be sent to department for approval, and we have to follow it up that it will be made operationalized.
Ka dorbas nong kriem nong thamai kala plie perdaya ka jingrakhie dap nyopusan snem jongkas nong baria ka jingrakhie la pelong hapo ka plau jong ka Saint Xavier nong kriem.
Hakan ke sengiu sembut mentirang ba ke celau mas ngau halang dhar la long kongsan angkat ke jingdon lang ba Charles Penrop MLA katain panyem aina manix em ba bawan kriem rang ba snong bat kiwe nakaliang MLA la ai ke jingero ki kan riu ngut kirang ba snong kiba la snok ti lang kawe ban pentelun ya ki kam ki jam jong ke constituency usumbut mentirang ba aba a jingkren la pan pau ya ke jingmen ban don benta hakane ke program kabadai ke sengi ba ke snong kar khe ya kane ke jingpli ya ka lengkhu dap niau posan snem
nga long uba don bok sisa namar hakapor badan ki breu ki bakili nga am bachals filalong emily sa dong tundong suppose nem bacha sorru bendalas dan poi ka term ba ar ulong suppose nem kam suk seno gyo senong tundong ne nong sor gong senong tundong ru kasuki tambah sor kasuk palat Kadaw gulong ba ngayon iha kini ki sinem paladep aba borok koy ka pertay kangat katuka jing stom mengiong ka COVID-19 om don uweru hakajila ka jongi ka bosuto ya katuka jing stom barka jing patay kawan man kasngi nakaway ka por nakaway ka jing patay koy ka por koy ka jing patay hadu wala akul marut What you buat keladu yang tep keral put sepo. Hadin ba melati syuk yang em kaniru kelabian. Jadi betai pun. Henry na hab yaro. Ya ka senjuk jong kanong tumai pula. Kedong sinsas nong. Kirang bas nong baro khatsan ngut kia tili. Bat kilai kit kini ka kam ban pek ba borok kinong snong jong kanong tumay pulun apaka jingalang du presiden bawan secretary kila pisting kila kit diga lengkor ka kiaban pay yake nong snong baro snong baro koy nganong jare kate kirang bas nong getli katu kala pensuk yo emele nomor ba ngasngo hak tu kopor kina dan kadreu mut ki emele lani kadreu mut ki rong bas dong ringkat banga endre kani ken ko ba habaginya tili kamdan kanu no ka jinge lani ka jingshi kam bagi melaban kit banba agri por bawan ngatip pakam jong pir ko makya imar kam khaya ka kam jong rong bas dong banyu kam jong emele nomor tang sujai pun me rong bas dong ha ko babare pe katugas dong jupi kung takum ta jagawan pe ma pe robas dong kamsuk tinga tip ka kam ko bakya
Kam bapietre dengan monsuba. Di ayu play bun ayu fi kebor. Kam tangi fi bawan. Bapinang tre sitom nang mentaka imlang kasalang nang mentaka roy ko par jo kasno nong kalim. To kumbalakrin bandili ngat haray ngam imsu sa atusan snem. Tabak kermen ladagdag im gani oyeng biang ini sa sisin man ay kublay fi ban rakay ka sentri. Tang ni kitin makendiat kublay siya jano.
Borok-borok ni kami bercerai. Kumong ma mani cerai pin sayok man pelak demu hak sepak senang senten ni. Belum yok baik. Wadang ada yok ngindon so ngindon baik belum don. We always have a positive things always in our mind. Kata kadai habangi kuak kum beri ubelai ahi. Lagi kuak mangi ubelai kum nona. Tekeni kadai keji sedang kebarit. Keburung kebakrau kum kesnong la yok ikum ni. Keburung bu yang yok bani don lang bapi yok kalap bani itu itau. Ya kinong punya isnong punya itau. Kiri rong ba ni jeka kena lokal tiba per. Ni song tu ba tangkawahi kumbong ipa emene. Karidu sumi kasi ka per ha.
UMLA kanong po oba Meryl Bones iem. Uloong ba katanyong po sa iyo no shen ya kayeng thamai jong ka ITI hanong po. Kabala syong wai baro shikata. Ya kania ula kren chila patay kubor. Kagba uloong ba kajing pentrikam ya kani ka ITI karang ya mentala kung bakandai po persen AA. Wat shen an salaban pentrikam no yaka.
Kat kum kajing ong MLA kenau po la te kene ka ITI ha kajing mang pisa ka ba iwe point kat nyo klor ha kajing page kat nat labor. Inda la deb kene jaka ai jing hikai kan ai jim toy kisamla hakikam kum kam machine wireman plumber welder kiban sa ai jing hikai ha kene ka ITI no po.
We have reviewed with regard to the status of the ITI at Nongpo. We understand the anxiety of the youth nowadays with regards to unemployment. That's why it is very important that we have such kind of training institute, for example, like welder, wireman, or plumber, or mason. These are the 4 trades that we have in Riboy. And I hope that the amount that has been sanctioned for the new ITI in Nongpo, that is around 1 crore 17 lakh, and the work is 98% completed as per the report from the official, and I have instructed them to complete immediately. And one issue they have appraised me is with regard to the external electrification. They will require a 32 kV transformer, so I have taken it up with the MECL and I have instructed them to talk to UD Building as an implementing agency and MECL to facilitate as soon as possible. At the same time, the proposal for the boys and girls hostel will be made. I have instructed them to do it quickly as soon as possible, and we hope that in days to come, funding is not much an issue. ADB, the source are there, and we hope very soon we will be getting sanction for the benefit of the young people we have to district to make ITI in Nongpo functional.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kadang ya cakmat banshim ya karai halor une ka kertong kiban aireng ya ke election shiteng samoy nagambegir constituency.
Ke BJP ke larai ban mi ban ye kun ya kene ke election steng samoy enre indang abshim rai ye ulane ke kertong ong nong yalam ke BJP bat menteri sarkar ba AL Hek haba ye kren berkilat betai ke bor hine ke sengi nengkong.
No, decided. We have decided. This one, though, I cannot tell you which is the candidate because we have not received even the applicants now. Once we get the application, then definitely will be zeroed down to the best candidate.
How many applicants so far?
So far, I have not received. We have not seen any application because we have not yet notified also no election. Once they will be notified, then only we will be able to understand. Let's wait for notification.
BJP in this Gambhir by-poll since the party is interested to contest.
The chances, the BJP is a national party and we are going to fight this election, and the chances is depend also on the how many candidates who applied for. Come to conclusion.
The Garudas, and they have expressed confidence that they will retain Cambridge seats. What do you have to say?
I don't have to say for any other political parties. I know only BJP. If you have anything to ask for BJP, I can reply you. But if you ask me for any other political parties, I will not be able to reply.
MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai ula sinyang hadu shilak tingka shi kong kumoy walang kum ka jing kershani ka jing alit shimbenta jong i ha ka jing yakop Maria Marathon kamalong ha Australia.
Ubak Sanbor la ya kendu ya ikong kemoy walang bala nyau perus nem kerta ha kesngi baar ban kuburam ya ha shua ben le jisim benta ha kene kelempung ya kop mare ke perthe nalor kene ke song pisau ba Sanbor la ais ngau baru ya ke song pisa ba lai po ja tengka sha u ko ba bening star lengkoi kum ke jing sngongu ha ke jing persyang jong u ban wan ra nam ya ke jela ikong kemoy walang indai it caught ke kenhun ya lek kai kari India sa kelempung ya lek kai cut light pan Pacific Master Games arjat posau kaban long ha Gold Coast Australia ha ubnai nai wiang
Thép đây mà này hiểu. Bono. So all the best ublay yung kerku yang ini beliau jeng jam. Wabillahi jengkot ikhya. Nah, itu kan cek. Kawan. Karena tugas saya kebersilak ikan. Jadi biodata tang ba kipat ba bait ba thon jongi hasitrup jongari Meghalaya bar ka perthei bar ka ri ga jongi borok khoi kinjet kan son ngala chusim i kong kumuan walang idon karta ka banyo pudrus dam te ukpagi khun jongpi kerta mumtu na uba megleng do iba plir yum don na jing koi dan jingpang hapo jingtia hapo shnong mau si mau len mau keluar te iba plir la prapo mo kerta nyau pupra kerta te pej iba plir da jing kerku blei la kerku blei ye bola te sei kan reumut ki khu kan reumut ki khu ni don kan reumut ki khu bat ublei lo ibet ban simno seladi saumut naki temen ta bat ikong kumuan ke thon gini ki khun bat borok kharar ngon bat leng ba jo jeng khu su jung blei kharar ngut ki khun nang ta ki barang don bat idon san pusau ngut dem beklama ko fi ngopi tusi san pusau ngut ki khun kisio kan ringut ki khun ublei la simno eki chala desa ki ba e ja tho je sa ba di kharar iya im suk im san de ru ublei bat ki khun kisio san pusau ngut te ide inong song song jongka sngi maulen mau keluar Southwest Khasi Hills Meghalaya ila syajid ila yo ila kai labu na national level ila yo medal ka gold medal silver medal la yo te nyar bandon kumini hakarta ka banyo punreu bopri ka de jai ke ka bangi so banai ngo blai te ila jok bon ki medal hakan kerta mo wat mangi bo ngi kat ka kerta ru impoi perkhat bangin don kumini long kumi blai lo pergi te ila syajid dakan Pan India Games Federation of India Bangalore ban mikman saka khatlai Pan Pacific Masters Game arah usau nang bentakari India ka jongi baka state ka jongi ban bentakari India kaban long hapo Gold Coast Queensland Australia kaban sedang lalu ka Shitarik hadu ka Shipau tarik September bentau senam arah usau but in lechim bentai la chajir lechim bentai ka praspa mitar kasi hajar sanspa mitar but la hajar mitar marathon race but kasi po hajar bagasan hajar mudsan keteli kategori ka praspa si hajar sanspa la hajar sarajar kasi po hajar mitar marathon race and India Masters Game Federation of India bela caci singap teka juga berhubung blay te susu hak dengan kapur miso benai kublay ya pi kong kumoy walang
agak pilih dolang bagi di bahaya masa mengi jompi kikon iksi boleh dolang syusyuru daga jengkur kublai nyai nguru ya iba Bening Star lengkoi ineru playatip way nagi star gijungi uklur yele akai ubala warabun kanam ko borom yela di ko melongi komon ya kikon iksi bahaya masa ya ka ri baga jemri ya ka stit magalia bade kari India jungi dia menta ilalong coach jong district sport office jong mau keluar Southwest ka sales teleng ba jong ibala yalam lenti iba Bening Star lung hoilam lenti kong kumuan ban hikai ban ai coaching ban ai practice ban ter badru kapastunan kolong ba iru in persyangkat bala hakabai larun jumut ba in senran kumu coach nagal yang state magalia ga jongi ban late ban senran isu Australia badru kerang bangiru borok ia kit bokir ruyang wala dengan mla bani lecharu Australia ru pi nialet ubre ungkurku ya pi ba pi poisuk ba pinian suk bat borok dia dua iru teman ta ka ri baca ri teman ta ka ri ka jungi borok ka ba pin wara ya kanam juga jingjong ka ba kan sa junong te kan ka dai tanga jing senang naga bata jongpi ka yeng jongpi kong kemuan walang nagliang ka nang benta ka kur walang ke jongpi kumjui ba Bening Star lengkoi bat baro nagliang ka kur lengkoi ke jongpi ru kumju ba mo biasa nam ya sa buram
Ka Rat Laban Sport Social and Cultural Organization Ken Strays Shillong. Kala pelong ya ke program Sam Kusnam bat ajing rap pisah segi beri ki baper hagi department. Ki belawan cakmat haki exam bat ki jing lekai baper. Nalor ki wepat ki jing job.
Ya kan ke program lawan long kongsan dau chairman ke MTDC ubah sanbol sulai balong ru MLA ke BJP nang khat kendai South Shillong constituency. Abak ke program ubah sanbol lai tu ya baro kin ringut ki balai syajit ban syapen ku buram ban yo kila jing rap ha kene ke sngi da ke baong batang ke jinglong ke bahok ke jing trai sitom bat ke jing IT met ban mensim ha ke jing pulih pat ki kam le kai kila pelak ma pen poi sya ke thong bat jing job. Ki balai syapen ku buram kilong u skemlang lingdo ha ke sports ka Priska Pinrop ke ban leg mikmat ya kari ha world arm wrestling champion ke ban long hamal doa Europe ka an kita das ke bala yo prab kundai point prab kundai person ha ke exam ai silda thaba sir pailin wa lang bat em no news roy kidhar ha ke ba kine baro langut kila syapen ku buram ba kila wan ra nam ha ki kam le kai
of 20,000 rupees. Please give her a huge round of applause. Her parents are on stage. Please give them a huge round of applause as well. Also completed her BA with First Division. Priska's dedication has not gone unnoticed. It is with great pleasure that I would like to announce that she has been selected to represent India as an athlete.
With the suggestion of the member of the organization, so we have selected 6 of them to felicitate them today, and in the month of September and October there will be one more felicitation which we have decided, which we used to organize every year this will be the 21st consecutive year for about more than 300 students in various categories, and also there will be a special category for the physically handicapped and the disabled, and also for the schools dropout and the BPL students. Though they secure in any division, they will also be felicitated in the month of September and October. So thank you so much, and I would like also to express all the members and also to our guests, like our Belinda Lingdo. We have felicitated her. She is officer of the Human Resource Department of our department for extending all your help and support towards the requirement of the staff of the department and also to the people at large. Thank you, Kong Belinda, and also Kong Durin Saukume, who is the officer in charge of the state convention, for extending all your help and support to the activities of the various organizations, individual in our state. Thank you so much, and other members, the principal of this four institution, whom we have selected the physically handicapped from the four school. Some of them due to unavoidable circumstances.
Haswa bangin penkut no ya gani gatuk kubur, ini apa biang skimat ki bakong san sasien. Bada kitu ngilapoi syaka bukut jong gani gatuk kubur, in saya syambiang bat pia gawe pat katayo. Kublai shibun tiasok.